Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. So you can find this basically in a box with the device, but you can also use a paper clip if you just don't feel like looking for it. And once you have that, to pop out the tray you will need to take off the cover if you have one on. And the tray is located on the upper left side of the device. As you can see where the pin is holding right now. So once you find the little insert for it, just push it in, the tray will pop out, and you can now take it completely out, and looks like it only takes 2 SIM cards and no SD card. So I'm gonna just move that to the side because I can't use it. So let's pop in our SIM card. It only goes one way, so there is no way for you to put it in incorrectly. And as you can see, it should be flush on the tray. Once it is, you can insert it back into the phone. There we go. And give it a second. There we go. Enter SIM pin. And there we go. So the SIM card is working just fine. And that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.